What's up, guys? We're back out here in the middle of Mark Twain National Forest, a little solo run. I'm doing some areas that I've been to before but haven't been to before, kind of like this. Nothing crazy, just some forest roads, county roads, just north of Clearwater area that I was in before. But yeah, we're just gonna have a good time and wheel some trails. It's kind of gloomy, doomy, misty, rainy today, so Missouri is being a misery to live in once again, hence the name. Very beautiful out here though. A lot of the evergreens are bright green because it's been raining, but all the other trees are still dead looking, so it's very weird. But a good time nonetheless. So we're gonna try and find some cool water crossings once we get down towards the bottom of the hill, and just kind of zigzag our way through these trails, and then we're gonna start heading up north, closer to home on these trails. Let's have a good time. There's another good thing about wheeling kind of on these misty, cloudy, rainy days is that there's no one else out here. It's just me. Ever since I hit gravel, I haven't seen a single car or a side-by-side or a Jeep or nothing out here. I mean, it's also like 45 degrees out right now, but, you know, I don't mind. Oh, this is kind of steep and rocky. That was like a 20-degree inclination there for a second. Not bad. You can definitely tell it's still wintertime too, because all the tree branches that have been falling down from some of these winter storms, these ice storms that we had. Looks like a lot of people have been pushing them out of the way too. Usually they're picked up by like locals or side-by-siders that come through here that don't want pinstripes on their cars. So this is crazy. All right, I'm gonna show you the map real quick. That is not connected down here. So last time when I was down here at this exact spot where I had to turn around where the water was too thick, like too deep, I had to turn around right here and head back. That was during the summertime, and I'm gonna go back in that video and I'm gonna show you what it looked like from that side. And now I'm on the other side. I came in through the marshlands that way, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like now. We had some serious storms come through, and it obliterated this area. Just absolutely, completely devastated. There was trees, thick brush line everywhere. Now, holy cow. I mean, the water's still like super deep right here though. And sometimes it's just too deep. Looks like we're gonna have to find a different way around. The trail goes that way, then it goes along the bank a little bit, and then wraps around and heads back to another county road, forest road. But look how, I mean, you can see that's very clear water. It's probably every bit of 3-4 feet deep right there in the middle. I would say probably like 10 feet deep right here off this ledge. And I'm nowhere near home. And no cell service here at this particular spot. So we're gonna flip it around and head back up. But this is a beautiful spot. The water is so clean, so clear. Like, I almost feel like I want to come back out here a little bit later in the year and just go swimming in one of these holes. Yeah, that's crazy. Right there is where I was standing last time. Insane. Yeah, because there was a big, right here there was a big sand dune, I believe. This is wild, dude. That's crazy. One big storm here changes everything. That's wild. Alright, let's go explore somewhere else, I guess. She still ain't crossing that. That's deep. Alright, let's go. Maintained road. I think they were lying to me. guys, thanks for watching the video. I'm standing in front of Clearwater Lake. I'm gonna make my way back home. But this has been a fun little ride. I didn't really get to do a whole lot. We didn't get to really see that many cool things, I don't think. I mean, a few water crossings, a few cool trails, and this beautiful lake right here behind me. Cliffs everywhere, so this is really cool that I actually got to come down and find this spot on the water's edge, because most of it is just bluff. Yeah, I'll see you guys real soon. We're hitting up a few off-road parts, and it feels so good to be back in Recovery 1 and out on the trail. So, do all the YouTube things, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.